And today I got a very easy recipe for you, a chickpea recipe, chole, also known as chole. Very easy to do, guys, and many ways of making this dish, and I'll show you one of the easiest ways of making it. So I'm going to get straight into it. Okay guys, I'm going to make a start. So for this I'm going to need 2 potatoes, chopped in half, boiled and the skin taken off. And 1 cup of chickpeas, boiled chickpeas these are. And then mash these up. You got to really mash them up to a paste virtually. Till you got it something like this. Very fine they are, blended very fine now. Okay guys, once you mash the chickpeas and boiled potatoes, put them to the side. And then add 1 cup of oil in a pan. And put that on a medium heat and let it heat up. And then add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. 3 cardamoms crushed up. 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of each ginger and garlic paste. Give it a bit of a mix. And you want to cook this until the ginger and garlic paste is a nice goldy brown. And then add 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, also known as haldi powder. And add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. And then just sprinkle it with water. About 3/4 tablespoons. Give that a mix. Once you add that in, then just give it a mix, and then add the chickpeas and the potatoes you've mushed up at the start. Add that in. Break it up all in there, that mixture now. And this will be your gravy. This is the gravy part of the dish. Okay, after putting them in and give them a good mix so it's a nice runny paste, then I'll cook it for a bit. Once you cooked it for a few minutes, then just add ½ teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. And then add 1 tablespoon of dried coriander. Dried coriander powder, that is. And then give that a good mix again. The gravy's gone nice and thick now. So you'll cook this for about 10 minutes in total when you put the chickpeas and potatoes in, then cook it for 10 minutes from there. And once you've done that, then add the chickpeas in. I'm using 3 cups of chickpeas here. Give it a good mix then. Once you give that a good mix, add 1 tablespoon of chili crush, or chili flakes, whatever you call them, wherever you are. Give this a good mix. Smells absolutely beautiful and looks delicious, this does. Really nice and easy dish this is. Quick dish. Very useful in this day and age with a quick pace of life, with all this social media about. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 7-8 minutes now, so I'm going to add 1 cup of water to it. And then give this a good mix with that water in it. Okay guys, once you give it a good mix, put it on low heat and put the top on and let it simmer away for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, while the chickpeas are getting ready over there, I'm going to get this paste ready. So I'm going to need, and you add this in the end just to get a nice taste. So I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of water for that. And I'm going to need 1 tablespoon of mango powder, also known as amchur powder. and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Bismillah. Just mix all that in together. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm just going to check how this is getting on. Just going to give it a bit of a mix. That looks ready because the oils come to the top as well. Yes. Okay, I'm going to put that paste I made with the mango powder and the black pepper powder and water. Just add that in. Give it a good mix. MashaAllah, that looks beautiful and it smells awesome. And once you give it a good mix, then just let it cook for another 5 minutes on low heat. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes since it's been simmering away in this. I want to check it now. Okay guys, give it a good mix now. That looks ready, that does. MashaAllah, that looks nice. So I'll turn that off now. Add a couple of tablespoons of coriander. And 2 chilies or whatever you prefer, cut fine. Add them in. And give that a good mix. Oh, lovely that dish is. So easy to do this. And there's many ways, like I said before, of making this. Okay guys, these are ready now. I'll take them out and I'll show you. Bismillah. Beautiful dish. I'm just going to garnish it with a bit of coriander on top. MashaAllah guys, the chickpeas, the chole are ready and they come out beautiful. It's got to be one of the easiest dishes I've done and it tastes absolutely awesome, this does. You got to have a go guys. Okay guys, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching and please do have a go. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.